In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advance to the next page in Microsoft Word, all within the span of just about 5 minutes. This is a fundamental skill that every Word user should master to enhance their document creation process. Whether you are drafting a novel, preparing an academic paper, or just organizing your notes, knowing how to efficiently move to a new page in your Word document can streamline your work and make your documents look more professional. Let's begin with the very first action you need to take, which involves the Windows Start menu. You'll need to locate this menu, which is typically found at the bottom left corner of your screen. Just look for a logo that resembles a window. That's your ticket to starting just about any application on your computer, including Microsoft Word. Once you've successfully opened the Start menu, the next step is to locate Microsoft Word. This can be easily done using the search bar within the Start menu itself. Simply start typing Word into the search bar. As you type, Windows will begin to sift through the applications on your computer and should display Microsoft Word among the top results. The search function is quite responsive and efficient, making it a quick way to access the applications you need without having to navigate through multiple menus. After you've located Microsoft Word in your search results, it's time to initiate the program. Go ahead and click on the Microsoft Word icon. This action prompts your computer to run the application, which, depending on its version and your computer's specifications, should only take a few moments to launch. Upon launching Microsoft Word, you would typically be greeted with the Word Home EE screen. This is essentially your starting point for document creation, where you can either select a blank document to start fresh, or pick any recent document you've been working on, should you wish to continue from where you left off. Click on the option that suits your needs to open up the Word interface proper, ready for text entry and more. Now, for the main event, advancing to the next page in your document. Once your Word document is open and you've reached the point where you need to move on to a new page, there's a simple keyboard shortcut that makes this incredibly easy. Press Ctrl plus Enter. This nifty shortcut immediately inserts a page break into your document, effectively moving your cursor to the top of the next page. It's a smooth, one-step process that doesn't interrupt your workflow, allowing you to continue typing on a fresh page without needing to manually insert breaks or press enter numerous times to reach the next page. It's worth noting a couple of additional tips that can make your Word usage even more efficient. First, customize your quick access toolbar to include the Insert Page Break button. This can serve as a handy alternative if you prefer using your mouse over keyboard shortcuts. Secondly, become familiar with Word's formatting marks, including the symbol for page breaks. Understanding what these symbols represent can help you navigate and edit your document more effectively, especially when dealing with complex formatting. And really, that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly advance to the next page in Microsoft Word, making your document creation process smoother and your output more professional. Remember, mastering these basic functionalities allows you to focus more on the content of your document and less on the technicalities of document creation. So go ahead and give it a try. Happy writing!